So Apple recently released macOS 15.3 for all the supported Macs. And this update focused more on bug fixes rather than new features. So let's see what's all new with macOS 15.3. But before we go ahead, let's talk about the supported devices. Here is a list of all the devices that will get macOS 15.3. If your device is on this list, then you should get the update by now. So how to install the latest macOS 15.3? For this, click on this Apple icon and then click on System Settings. Now on the left pane, click on General and then click on Software Update. Now this will check for the updates. Now here you will see the latest update. You can install it. As you can see here, I'm already on macOS 15.3. So that's all about supported devices and how you can install macOS 15.3. Now let's see what's new in this update. There's one new major feature in this update, and that's Genmoji. So basically, you can now create your own emoji with the help of Apple Intelligence. Let's see how this works. For this, first let's open Messages app. Now here, click on this icon to start a new conversation. After this, click on this emoji icon. Now to use Genmoji, click on this icon. After this, you can describe the emoji you want to create. For example, let's type dog with a hat. And now this will generate the Genmoji. You can click here to see more variations. To use the Genmoji, click on it. And now you can use it within your chat. Second new change is in notification summary. So basically, now you can manage settings for notification summary from the lock screen. Not only this, but now summarized notifications appear in italics. Also, Apple disabled notification summary for news and entertainment. For example, if I select it, then it says unavailable. Talking about bug fixes. First of all, Apple released security fixes with macOS 15.3. And second, this update fixed a major bug with the Calculator app. Earlier, there was a bug in the Calculator app, which prevented users from using the equal signs repeatedly to repeat the operations. But now, with this update, this issue has been fixed. So these are all the major changes in macOS 15.3. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel. And for more such tech content and guides, visit our website itix.com. So, see you in the next one. Till then, bye.